Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. So, yesterday we had done few sessions based on how to use dictionary, right? So, what are we going to do today is we will be doing some wonderful activities on how to use dictionary. So, children, what you're going to do is you have to take a pen and a book and you will listen to the teacher and we are going to do activity together with a lot of fun. All right? So, here we go. We will start the activity now. So, children, before we could start, let us do a quick revision of what we had done yesterday. Now, what do you mean by entry words? It's very simple. Each word defined in a dictionary is called an entry word. I repeat, each word defined in a dictionary is called an entry word. Now, what do you mean by head words? Head word is used to locate the entry word and dictate its alphabetical positions. I repeat, head word is used to locate the entry word and dictate its alphabetical positions. So, we will be doing a lot of activities based on that today, okay? Now, why do we use dictionary? Yes, we all know, children. We use dictionary to find the meaning of words. We use dictionary to find out the correct spelling of words, right? Yes, we also use dictionary to find out how to pronounce or say words correctly. Yes, we also need to find out what part of speech a word is. And we also need to find out the plurals of words. And that is the, easiest way or method of actually going to dictionary and how to use the dictionary in a correct format, right? Now, children, I have given you one example. So let us quickly go through this example. Now, here is a word which is an entry word. And as we know, climate. Yes, this climate is basically the entry word. Now, have they mentioned how to pronounce this particular climate? Yes, they have given in this bracket the pronunciation of this word climate. Yes, they have also mentioned part of speech. Climate is a noun. Yes. So, climate is a noun. That's a part of speech. Now, they have also mentioned the average weather conditions of a place or region over a period of time. So, they have mentioned the first definition of this particular word. Yes, what is the first definition of this particular word? The average weather conditions of a place or region over a period of time. Now, children, let us come to the next, that is a sample sentence. Now, sample sentence, the climate in Arizona is dry with little rainfall. I repeat, the climate in Arizona is dry with little rainfall. So, this is a sample sentence. That is, how can you frame a sentence by using this particular word? Now, they have given one more definition of this word, and the definition is atmosphere. So, climate, which also means atmosphere. Now, let us frame a sentence. The teacher created a climate of calm in her classroom. The teacher created a climate of calm in her classroom. So, this is another sample sentence. So, yes, children, I'm very sure that you are very much clear with how to identify the entry word. Yes, it's very easy to identify entry word. We need to understand all these words which are given, and the words are entry word, how to pronounce the word, part of speech, first definition, sample sentence, second definition, and sample sentence again. All right. Now, children, we will go through one more example. Now, if you can look here, this is the first word, amputate and ancient. So these are the two words which are called as the head word or the guide word. The reason they are called as the head word or the guide word is that means On page number 22, the first word will start with amputate and the last word will be ancient. In between, there are many other words which are being arranged in alphabetical order. Now, what we will do is we will go through one entry word example. Alright, now we have already done in a revision session. So now we will start. The first word is amuse. So amuse is the entry word. Now children, what is the part of noun over here? Yes, it is the verb. It's a verb. Now, what is the meaning of it? There are two meanings, and the first meaning is to hold someone's attention in a pleasant or agreeable way. And there is one more meaning, to cause to laugh or smile. Now, based on the first meaning, they have given you one example of the sentence. The example is, see, she amused us with adventure stories. She amused us with adventure stories. And for the second meaning, they have given you one more example. That is, the new toy amused the child. So here we go. We got all the entry words correctly done. Now, if you want, we can go through this trial once again. Okay. So now let me know how many of you are giving me the correct answer. Now we will start. What is your entry word over here? Yes, it's analyze. Right. Now what is a part of speech? That's the verb. Now, who will tell me what is the meaning of it? Is there one meaning or two meanings? Yes, there are two meanings. The first meaning is to separate something into its basic parts to find out what it contains or is made of. Right. Now, based on this particular meaning, they have given you one example of the sentence. The sample sentence is, they analyzed the ore and found iron in it. They analyzed the ore and found iron in it. So this is a sample sentence. Now, what is the second meaning? Yes, the second meaning is to examine in detail. To examine in detail. And the sample sentence is, we analyzed our plan to see why it had failed. We analyzed our plan to see why it had failed. So here we go. We have done. Now, if you can see, children, in this particular dictionary, the pronunciation of this particular words are being mentioned here. Okay. So each and every dictionary has some or the other differences in it. So whichever dictionary you have, you can go through it and check where exactly all these definitions are given. All right. We will practice some more entry words now. Let's practice. Now this is how the page looks in the dictionary. All right. Now we will take one more page. So here we go. So there are many words which are mentioned on this page, alphabetical order, right? Like, their first word is plumber, then is plumbing, and your last word in this particular page is pocket. Okay. Now, quickly let us go through the entry word for any one of the word. Let us see which one you would like to go for. Okay, let's start with the word plumber. Now, plumber is basically a entry word, right? So this is a entry word. Now, they have also mentioned over here the pronunciation of this particular word. So, syllable, it is called as a syllable, right? Now, they have also given us noun form. So that means it has got a part of speech which is a noun. Now, the meaning is person whose job is to fit and repair water pipes. So basically, plumber is a person and the job of this particular person is to fit and repair water pipes. Now, in this particular entry word, they have not given any sentence. That's a sample sentence. They have given only one meaning. So yes, I think that's sufficient. We can understand what is the meaning of plumber. So children, what I mean to say is, in each and every dictionary, it's not sure that every word should be having two or three meanings or two or three sample sentences as well. There are few words which may have only one meaning and one sentence only. right? Okay. So now children, we had been continuously talking about alphabetical order, but we are not clear or not sure about how to go ahead with this order. So what we will do is, I have given you a few examples. Now let us go through two words. It's whole and home. Now if you look at the alphabet, your first alphabet is same, that's H, right? And the second one is O. But if you look at the third one, it's L and M. Now let's go through our nursery rhyme once again. And we know ABCD, the sequence. Yes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So which is the first letter comes before M? That's L. So L comes first and then comes M, right? So this whole will come first in the dictionary and then will be the home. So this is how you are actually supposed to go through the order format of the alphabet, right? Now let us go through one more example. Now the words are considerate and considerable. Now, yes, if you look at these words till here, the alphabets are similar. But if you just check here, the T and B, these are the different words. But as we know, B comes before T, right? So, considerable will be the first word in the dictionary and it will be followed later on by considerate. Okay? Now children, let us practice the alphabetical order format once again. So quickly take out your pen and book and I want to see who is going to do it fast before me. So here are a few words. It's brave, pace, cold, nose, door, type, pack, pan and pen. Okay, now let us check the alphabetical order of this particular words. Now we will start with the first word. So after A, what comes is B, that's brave. So brave is the first word. After B, it's C. So the next one is cold. And then after C, which is the next one, that's door, D. After D, yes, it's N, right? N, that's nose. Now after N we have got P. Okay, now but in P, if you check over here, there are few words which has got PA common, right? Now we will go to the third letter. The third letter over here says C and here is also C. But what about the fourth letter? The fourth alphabet here is E and here it is K. So E comes first or K? Yes, E comes first. So the next one will be pace, right? And after pace, that will be pack. After pack, after K, that's N. So it's pan. And the last one is, yeah, it's pen, right? Now the end of this particular slide, the word is type, T. That's the last one, right? So what is the order format that you got over here is brave. Let us start. Brave, yes. And then cold, door, right? That's the first three words. And what was the next one? The next one is nose. Yes. And what is the next word? It's pace, right? It's pace. And then it's pack. Just bear with me because this highlighter is not that clear. After pack, we have got pan, then pen, and then the last one is type, right? So this is how the alphabetical order works, all right? Now students, these are the alphabetical order. Now you have to arrange this particular words in alphabetical order. Now let's see, the words are L-O-D-Y-R. So what comes first is G, right? So G-L-O-R-Y. So your first word is glory, right? Now what is the second word? its second word is BOOST, that's boost. Okay, then your third one is below. Yes, it's below, BELOW. And the next word is allow. Yes, it's A come first, then LLOW. So it's very fun, and I'm very sure that you are going to enjoy while doing this. Now, this particular slide is going to have a lot of fun activity for you. So these are the alphabetical order, and you have to arrange it in proper verb. So the same format which I have already told you, right? So you can do this activity in your book. Now children, we have already explained you about guide words, right? So I'm very sure that you must be having dictionary in your house. So you have to take the dictionary and you have to actually go through the guide words, and these are the words alphabet, that's D and R. So you can select any three guide words from any particular page number, and you have to mention in your book that guide words starting from D, page number, and R and the page number, right? So you have to do this activity in your book. Now we have also given you few more listed words, which are again you need to arrange it in alphabetical order. Now students, these are not arranged in alphabetical order. So you have to check which is the correct order, and you have to mention these activity in your book. All right. So now I'm very sure children that you are definitely clear with the alphabetical order, the guide words, the entry words, and now you're excellent how to use the dictionary, right? Yes. So now what you can do is children, you can go through all these details and you can actually play some games with your parents, okay, with your siblings. Your maybe you must be having brother, sister, so play with them this kind of games and enjoy and have a fun with this activity. All right, so take care. Bye bye.